Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for Tuesday, September the 4th, Tiger Minute. Just kind of go over a couple things for what's coming up this week. Keep everybody on the same page. I do want to mention that tonight here at the high school we have our senior one-stops we put on by our guidance department. It'll start at with a meal at 6 o'clock in our commons area, and the meeting will start at 6:30. It's just a very informative night tonight for our go over scholarships and other things that are going to be nice for some seniors to know about. Also, tonight we'll be hosting the volleyball game against Ohio County. It's an Adley Tall night, so there will be no charge for admission. And all proceeds go to the family of Adley Tall, help them out with some medical expenses. Also, our boys and girls golf team play tonight, hosting Ohio County. That is at the Community Center. So I'd like to wish them good luck. On Thursday here at the high school, our freshman football team will be hosting Fort Knox. Our soccer team will travel to Muhlenberg County. I'd like to wish them good luck. And on Friday here at the high school, we'll have our club day. That'll be in preparation for next week's homecoming week. But Friday will be club day here at the school. And then Friday night, our football team travels to Meade County to play them. Game time will be at 7 o'clock Central Time. Next week will be homecoming week, and I'll have that list to go over with everybody too. But next week, our first 9 weeks midterm is on Wednesday, so that'll be the halfway point of our first 9 weeks. Be a good point for us to kind of check on everybody's grades, make sure we're all doing what we need to be doing in the classroom to have successful starts. Be sure you talk to your kids about that. Tutoring is now going on Monday through Thursday. That is here in the BCHS library from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. We do also have activity buses that leave here at the school every day, and every day except for Fridays. Those leave at 4:15 and 5:15. One bus will take students to Ben Johnson Elementary School and then Irvington Elementary School. And we have a bus that goes to, I apologize. We have one bus that goes to Ben Johnson, and then one bus that goes to Custer and then to Irvington. Those kids, that way they can stay here and play in activities or tutoring. We've got the first activity bus runs at 4:15, and another run happens at 5:15. So if you got any questions about those, please do not hesitate to ask about that. That concludes what I've got going on for today. Everyone work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.